What's up, everybody? Coming back at you with another quick video for everybody. Not long ago, I was getting in my truck and I hit this seat switch with my foot or my knee or one of them and completely sheared it off. And today, I just got the new part in. We're gonna go ahead and change this whole assembly out. That way I can use my seat switch again. So what you're gonna have here, you're gonna have 5 Phillips head bolts. In this case, I have 4 because one obviously has fallen out. So we're gonna go ahead and take these screws out, and then we're gonna replace the switch and shove it back in, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that today. Alright, so once you take your 4 screws out, it's going to pull out just like this, and you're going to see 2 plugs. One is for your lumbar, the other one is for all your seat controls. There's a tab, I don't know if you can really see, but there's a tab right here. It's on the underside. You got to get in there with your thumb, press, and give it a little pull. You gotta press that tab right there, press, give it a little pull, and then we're gonna swap around here. And there's a tab right there. You can get in there with your fingers, just pull it up a little bit. And then wiggle the plug out, and there you go. Now you have your seat switch panel undone from the seat. Alright, so we have our switch panel here, and we have our new switch here. I will be leaving a link down in the description for this exact seat switch on Amazon. We have our 7mm 1/4-inch drive socket, and we're going to take these 3 bolts out right here. We're going to leave this one in because this one's for lumbar. We're going to take these 3 out, and they're 7mm. And there you go. Super simple. Just match up your holes, pop it in, reinstall your screws, and these are can actually be finger tight all the way down. And if you want to put a little extra torque on them, not much, because you don't want to possibly break plastic. Just a little bit, little bit, little bit. Now, got your seat buttons back. Let's go put it back in. Now that you're back over at your seat, grab your panel, make sure it's the correct way, find your plugs, and we're just going to snap them right back in, starting with the front one. And now we're going to snap in the rear one. I'm going to put it in front first. You want to angle it down just a little bit to get the wires behind the foam. And now we're going to put our screws back in. Now that you have all your screws back in, let's make sure that the seat works now. So we're going to come up here, turn our truck to the on position. going to test all buttons. Back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, forward, back. Okay, well, there you have it. New seat switch installed and working. Awesome. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description for this particular seat switch. We know it works. Alright, y'all. Hope you have a good one and keep on wrenching.